Hey, what's going on guys? In this video I will show you how to install Unc0ver jailbreak on your device from Mac or Windows. Also, I will show you how to renew the Unc0ver app certificate and install Unc0ver app on your iOS device. This method is easy and simple. All you need is Unc0ver app in IPA format. Just download the version you want to install. As you can see here, I have the version 4.3.1, which is the best version for me. You will also need iOS app signer and AltDeploy app. All you will do is renew Unc0ver app certificate with iOS app signer, then install it with AltDeploy app. Okay, now open iOS app signer. So as you can see here, we will renew the app certificate from here. Now just drag and drop Unc0ver app here. Now here in provisioning profile option, choose resign only. Now click start. Here save the app to the desktop or wherever you want. I will save it to the desktop. As you can see here, now the Unc0ver app certificate is being renewed. This should take about 10 seconds. As you can see, the app certificate was successfully renewed. Now you will install Unc0ver app on your iOS device with AltDeploy app. Okay, now go ahead and open AltDeploy app. Before using AltDeploy app, add your Apple ID account. Just go to AltDeploy menu here. Now here choose Add Apple ID. Now here add your account. You can use a new account or your existing account. Okay, now just drag and drop Unc0ver app here inside AltDeploy app. Use the version you renewed its certificate. Okay, now connect your iOS device to your Mac. I will connect my device. As you can see, my device is now connected. Before you click on start, open Mail app. This app depends on the Mail plugin, so make sure to open Mail app and leave it open. Okay, as you can see here, I don't have Unc0ver app on my iOS device. Now here in AltDeploy, click start. As you can see, the Unc0ver app is being installed. Now just wait a few seconds. This may take about 15 seconds. As you can see, the app was installed on my device successfully. Now let's continue on my iPhone. Okay, now open Unc0ver app. As you can see, untrusted developer. You need to trust this app before using it. Just go to settings to trust this app. Open settings. Now go to General. Now scroll down and open Profile Device Management. Okay, here now you will find a new certificate, which is Unc0ver app certificate. Now click on Trust. Okay, trust it. Now make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Okay, after trusting the certificate, go back to home screen and open Unc0ver app. As you can see, the app works without any problem. Now click on Jailbreak button to enter jailbreak mode. As you can see, the device is now in jailbreak mode and everything works without any problem. You can use this method anytime you want and renew the certificate anytime you want. So you can install Unc0ver at any time you want. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Peace.